Today I'm going to teach you how to create a YouTube channel with just your cell phone. So this is the first video in a whole series of videos related to creating your channel and content on YouTube with just your phone. Some things are really easy to do on a cell phone. Other things are a little bit more difficult. In each of the videos, I'll kind of point out, hey, your phone is fine. If you can use a computer, it's going to be a little bit easier. So for example, recording videos, great to get started with the phone. A bunch of videos on this channel were recorded with my iPhone 6s, one of which has 300 or 400,000 views now. So that's a great place to get started recording videos. Creating a channel, editing, some other things are easier if you have access to a computer, but there's ways to do it on your phone. So if you're looking to create your channel, there's two types of channels. There's a personal account and a brand account. Personal accounts are tied to your email and it's basically the name that you have tied to your email address. A brand account, on the other hand, can be 1 word, 5 words, whatever you have a bit more flexibility there. Also, you can add other collaborators, so someone could upload the video, they could respond to comments, view the analytics and things like that, and you don't have to give away your email address. Most of the options on your cell phone are set up to create a personal account, but there is a workaround, and I'll point that out as we go through the video. Also on your cell phone, if you just go through the normal steps for creating a personal account, some of the customizations you might not be able to do unless you go through the steps we're talking about today. So why don't I open up my phone and I'll show you how to do this. So there's for sure 2 apps that you're going to want on your phone if you're looking to create content on YouTube. Obviously the main YouTube app, but then you're going to also want YouTube Studio. So YouTube Studio, you can respond to comments, see your analytics, change the thumbnail, and a whole bunch of other things. But you're not going to use either of those apps to create your channel today. The issue is here, if you go into the YouTube app, how you're going to create a channel right now. So if you log in with an email address, if you don't have a Gmail account, I'll put a link down below where you can sign up for an email account. So I'm already signed in within the app. If you click on the top right corner, you're going to see the email address and the name, and it's going to say your channel. This email doesn't actually have a channel yet. So if I click on this, what's going to happen is it's going to pull the name from, this is basically our hello email for my business, was Jeff@thefigco. And then so if I were to change this, it's going to actually change the name of the email. So this isn't what I wanted for this example. The same thing is going to happen is if I open up Chrome right now and go to YouTube. So YouTube right now, if I click on the corner, you're going to see the same thing. It says your channel when I don't have a channel, and it's going to want to use the name for this email. What I want to do here is within Chrome, there's these 3 little dots. If I click on this, scroll down, you're going to see request desktop site. So we're going to do that, and it's going to give us the desktop version of YouTube on our cell phone. So now if we click on this icon in the top right-hand corner, it now says create a channel. Okay, so this is something new. It says your creator journey begins. Get started. So now you can see here there's 2 different options. The left option, use your name, which is what it was trying to get me to do in the YouTube app and what I showed you before. And then here you have use a custom name. So now I can select this other option, which is to create a brand account. Okay, so create your channel name. So what do we want to call this today? Jeff's Cool Videos. I understand the rules. Let's create this channel. Okay, then we need to verify the cell phone number. Okay, text message, continue. So here's where we're going to come into some difficulty. So right now it says, hey, what app do you want to open this on? I'm going to go back to Chrome again, but you're going to see this issue, which is it wants me to then create a personal account. So what I need to do here again is tell it, hey, you messed up here. Let's go back to the desktop version. And voila, this looks a little bit different now. So let me walk you through step by step. This is essentially what we're doing in the other version of this video. So the very first thing is choose a profile picture. So let's go to the photo library. Here's a picture of me. Okay, we now have a profile picture for the YouTube channel. Tell viewers about your channel. Obviously, you're going to want to use the keywords and everything related to your channel and put a lot more information here so people can find your YouTube channel if they're looking for a specific topic. This I'm going to do just the basics right now. So then if we scroll down further, I could put in my website. And so this is going to show up on the About section of the mobile version of your channel, and it'll show up in the little links at the top right-hand corner of the desktop version of your channel. Okay, so we got a website. Let's add my Instagram, let's say. Don't save. Okay. See, this is a little finicky. Okay, so let's go Instagram, Jeff Thalen. Okay, so we got my Instagram and the business's website, so save and continue. Okay, so Jeff's Cool Videos. We now have a YouTube channel, has the profile picture. So what I want to do now, it took me back into the YouTube app, but what I want to do now is go back to Chrome, because there's a lot of stuff, again, that you're not going to be able to do if you're in the app. Okay, so here's my new channel. So you can see it now has my profile picture in the top right. If I click up here, it's going to say Jeff's Cool Videos. So let's now go to our channel. So you're going to see here, I obviously do not have any videos yet. So what we do want to do is let's customize our channel. And so again, we're probably going to have to go switching back and forth between telling it, hey, I don't want the app, just let me use the desktop version. So some of the things here is let's close this. And so what we want to do first is update some of the branding. So obviously on the layout part of this, you can essentially add a channel trailer, add playlists, and do a couple things like that. But we want to look at the branding. So here's where you would update your profile picture. What we want to do right now, though, is add a banner image. I'll link to our video on creating a YouTube banner up above. So let's create an image from the library. So there's really strange dimensions for the banner. Don't worry about it in this video, but this is basically what it's supposed to look like. And then click Done. So then it shows you on 3 different screens what the banner is going to look like. So now let's upload a video watermark. So the watermark, I'm probably pointing to the wrong corner, but the bottom right-hand corner of the screen, you should see a little subscribe button over the video. It's a nice subtle reminder to get people to subscribe to your channel if they like your content. What I'm going to do right now is upload the little subscribe button. We have a whole video teaching you how to create this. It's kind of complicated. The image has to be a square. So this black part up above that you might have seen a second ago was white is actually transparent. So it wants to have a square image. So the part above is see-through, and then we just have the little subscribe button, and then let's click Done. So what you're going to see here is then you can select when you want for the entire video, the end of the video, or what we usually do is a custom start time of, say, 10 or 15 seconds into the video. Let's say 15. So you can watch a little bit of the video first, and then the subscribe button comes up. One of the things is you're making changes to this page. Don't forget to hit the publish button in the top right, or your changes will not be saved. Okay, so now we have the banner, we have the video watermark. So if you go into the basic info along the right here, so here's where the description was. You could obviously change the channel name right here. If you wanted to add other links, so Facebook, another website, whatever it is, you can see from the banner we use a landing page where we collect people's emails address. So you can see it says like free training. If you check out our YouTube banner video, it'll walk you through step-by-step how to do that. If you want brands or other people to be able to contact you, on the About section of your page, you could enter your email address. So if people go there, they can reach out to you. So that's the basics on that page. Now what we want to do is if you click on the settings, so this is actually YouTube Studio. So this right now, so you can see I have no uploaded videos. This is where you'll see a lot of the analytics within YouTube Studio on your computer. What we want to do now is the little wheel, the settings thing in the bottom left-hand corner. So if we click on settings right now, you can see the default currency. What I want to go to now is the channel. So there's a couple basic stuff we're going to change in a little bit, but the first thing I want to do is check the feature eligibility. So the thing you want to do here is, for some reason, ask me to verify my phone at the very beginning, but you need to do it here, which will give you the ability to create longer videos, custom thumbnails, live streaming, and a bunch of other things. So you can see here it says eligible. What I need to do is verify my phone number. And again, so open Chrome. United States, text me. Okay, submit. Okay, submit. Congratulations, your YouTube account is now verified. All right. So now if I go back to where I just was, right here, and then now you see the features that require phone verification is now enabled. So now we go back to the channel settings that we were looking at before. So you have the basic information. So country of residence, United States, way down towards the bottom. Okay, oop, not UK. That'd be cool to live there. Then here's where you add the keywords. So you can put in things like if this were about if this was a channel for marketing, I could put in digital marketing. And then each word, basically you want to each word or phrase you want to separate with a comma, and you can see that it creates a keyword like so. So if I wanted to add another one, I could say camera tips, and then again add a comma, and it makes that another keyword. I don't know, there's a few hundred characters you could add here. These are just phrases along with the description that help when people search for things to potentially come across your account. The next thing is the advanced settings. So things you want to look at here is what type of content you're creating. Are you creating content for kids, which means under the age of 13, or is it for people primarily not for kids? So you basically need to either select this for your channel or go through and select it for individual videos. There's a whole bunch of information on the COPPA law. If you want to learn more about that, I'll put something down below in the description. One of the things here, so we went through and made some changes to the channel. The next thing would be the upload defaults. So one of the things we like to do in the upload defaults is change the visibility to private. So that way when you upload a new video, it's set to private. You can double check and make sure that everything's okay before you release it to the public. So once you finish up with everything on this page, you can scroll over and click save. We did it. We created our YouTube channel on a phone. So hopefully you're able to follow along and get your channel set up as well. The next steps are recording a video, editing a video, and then uploading it to YouTube. If you want help with those, check out the playlist right here with all of our videos related to creating content with your phone for YouTube. If you want to see our whole playlist on helping you grow your YouTube channel, check out the playlist below. Hope to see you in those and future videos. Bye-bye.